All right, so this is one of my favorite, just little bite-sized blues licks that can really make a huge difference in your playing. So here's what it sounds like. In the key of F, so F minor. There's your F blues scale, or pentatonic, excuse me. So it sounds like this. I love that, it's so great, so you can be doing stuff like that. So here's how you do it. Just start on the root, then go up a minor third. So this is F to A flat. Slowly bend this A flat up to B flat. Whole step. Then play the same pitch on the next string up. So this is on the E string on the 6th fret. And then go up another whole step to C. And then back down to your minor third. Bend it up again. Return to your root. So essentially you're doing one more time, F, go up a minor third, bend up a whole step, play the same pitch on the next string, go up a whole step to C, back down to the minor third, back down to the root.